Neenah, Wisconsin. Arriving to Neenah, Wisconsin. We are heading to downtown Neenah, here in Wisconsin. Neenah. Looks like a big city. Wonder what street this is, huh?
Not sure. There's another Tom's Drive-In though.
Another what?
Tom's Drive-In. We're supposed to have good burgers.
There's no at all. That's
Yeah.
pretty
It's melted
clean.
here.
It's not attractive at all over here. Seems like
You do know where we're going, right?
downtown Neenah.
Turns it down.
Neenah Village. So what is that, Galloway?
Some kind of processing company.
Still driving here in Neenah, Wisconsin, people. Heading downtown Neenah.
Okay.
Because downtown is right down there, right now. Wow, that's a nice building. Alta, what is Alta?
Alta?
Yeah.
Like ULTA or ALTA?
ALTA. Alta.
Insurance. Alta is some sort of insurance. Andrew worked there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No kidding.
He used to have to drive down here to go to work.
Oh, okay. Well, this is downtown Neenah. Looks like a big city.
Park in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what we came for, people. Neenah has a replica of Liberty Mutual. No, Liberty.
You better restart.
Hello, folks. Here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today, we happen to be here at Neenah, Wisconsin. Neenah, Wisconsin. It is a beautiful little city here in Wisconsin, close to Lake Winnebago. Well, I didn't realize, but I was looking through which we are coming back from Madison. So what happened is that I was looking things to do in Wisconsin, right? So downtown Madison in Lake Mendota, they had a replica of the Statue of Liberty, and this populated on my end too. So right here off Commercial Street and Wisconsin Avenue, there is a replica of Liberty, the Statue of Liberty. So one nation under God, invisible, with liberty and justice for all. Did not realize that Neenah had a replica here. That's pretty cool. So check this out. I cannot see much, but there it is. I'm hoping you can see better from here because the sun was in my face. But this is downtown Neenah, Wisconsin. Architecture is beautiful, as usual. That is pretty nice. So if you guys ever had the chance to come to Neenah, Wisconsin, give it a shot. It is downtown Neenah. This is where this is located. Right here off Commercial Avenue in Wisconsin. We are walking downtown Neenah. Never been here before, first time. But I think it's pretty nice. It's a nice, beautiful little town. Check this out. Beautiful. Neenah, Wisconsin. That is Neenah, Wisconsin. Nice architecture. You can see the building behind me too. That is a nice spot over there. Beautiful. Nice. So I wanted to come and walk this way because they do have another statue here, people. And I just wonder who that is. Oh my God, that is Ronald Reagan. That is really cool. Hello, Ronald. Ronald Reagan. So why would they want to do that here? Let's see here. I'm going to capture this screenshot for you guys so you can read it. That is pretty awesome. Good old Ronald Reagan. So it seems like downtown Neenah, they have a lot of statues. One is for a Native American. Oh, they have an eagle too over there, see? Washington, is that George Washington? Seems like it. But it's still, oh, is that a dam over here? Dam. This is Neenah, Wisconsin.
Jesus Christ, fucking people everywhere.
Whoopsie. Franklin. Ben Franklin. That's actually pretty slick. Downtown Neenah, they got a lot of statues downtown. We saw Ben Franklin. I think this is Washington. Oh, no, that's Hamilton. And then you got a Native American. It's right in there. Everyone is represented. This is a Neenah, what? Center. This is Neenah, Wisconsin. My goodness, what are they building? A big building. Oh, it's like the one from the pier. See, it looks almost the same. Oh my goodness. See, the plaza. Well, thank you for watching, guys. This is Neenah, Wisconsin. Here at Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jeff, Sina. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching once again and subscribing to our channel.